So before we go into the highways module, we have to give the request of inspection from the police station. So to give the request, so we need to log into the police station admin. So that is the same where Mr. Gaurav might have shown on giving the request to the MVI. So it is on the same page. So I'm going to click the department as police and I'm going to give the login credential of the station admin.
ये वही लॉगिन है जो हमने स्टेशन एडमिन एंड पुलिस एडमिन में जो क्रिएट किए थे on the morning part.
Okay, I'm going to click the login. So we are currently inside the station admin. And you'll have 4 buttons underneath: dashboard, report, map, and list in the admin page. So I'm going to click the list, and in which I'm going to click completed list. So this Maruti Mandir accident ID 0001 is what we created in the morning. So for which you will see AAR is completed. It will turn to green. So once you give the request, the color will change to yellow. And once that request is accepted by the RTO and the inspection is done, the color of this AAR will change to green and it will change that AAR requested to AAR completed. So that's it with the transport. And to give the details, to give the request to the highways, we need to click the road details.
ये अभी हम रोड डिटेल्स के ऊपर क्लिक कर रहे हैं। तो अभी जो हमारा सुबह का पार्ट हो गया था, सुबह हमने एआर रिक्वेस्ट पे सबमिट कर दिया था। जो सबमिट में दिया था वो अभी हमारा येलो में दिख रहा था। अभी जो कंप्लीटेड हो गया, जो हमारा मोटर व्हीकल इंस्पेक्शन जो कंप्लीट हो गया, वो आपको यही दिख रहा है, AIR इज कंप्लीटेड, जो आपको ग्रीन में दिख रहा है। तो अभी हम क्या करेंगे, वया दी स्टेशन एडमिन हम हाईवेज के लिए रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे फॉर द हाईवे एंड यूजर फॉर द इंस्पेक्शन। तो हम रोड डिटेल्स में जाएंगे और वहां पे हम रिक्वेस्ट रेज करेंगे। ओके सर, कंटिन्यू।
Okay. So someone have gave the request for this particular accident ID. So there is another accident ID for which we can give the road details, which is the highways request. So I'm going to click the purple one, road details. And this is where you can select the road type and under which circle, under which division, and under which subdivision that particular request has to go. So initially you have to select the road type. So the road type that we gave was TNDNH1 in the morning. So I'm going to select that, click on OK. Once you select that, under circle, it will have the circle under which that particular road type is comprised of. So I'm going to click this TNDCH. So right now there is only one circle under that road type. So there is only one in the option. So I'm going to click that. Same case with the division, only one division, TNDHD1. And under the subdivision, it is the same as well, TNDSD1. And once you have selected all these 4 options, you can click on the request. I'm going to click the request. And once this request is clicked, the request from the police, the highways request from the police is sent to the highways department, which is the AE, assistant engineer of the highways department. I'm going to click OK. And once that request is sent, you can see the color has been changed from purple to yellow. Road details color has been changed. And that's it with the police admin. I'm going to log out from the police admin. And I'm going to log into the highways user. Gaurav, you can carry on with the Hindi one.
या जो अभी तक हमने क्या किया था, हमने अभी स्टेशन एडमिन से अभी हम रोड हाईवे सेलेक्ट करके, जो रोड हाईवे सेलेक्ट करके हमने रोड डिवीजन, सब डिवीजन, जो भी हमने हाईवे का यूजर मैनेजमेंट में जो ऑलरेडी डिवीजन वाइज हमने एडमिन यूजर को क्रिएट किया था, वहां पे हम रिक्वेस्ट भेज रहे हैं। on the different type of the division road as well as with highway circle and everything. तो जहाँ पे हम input करने के बाद now वो request भेजने के बाद अभी हम क्या करेंगे, वो request तुरंत जो हमारा एंड यूजर है, जो हाईवे का एंड यूजर है, उनके पास जाके वो पहुंच जाएगा. तो अभी ईश्वर जी, he will try to open with the health module, sorry, highway module, and open on the user of that highway, so that he'll be able to do the necessary investigation for that particular highway.
So right now I'm giving the login credentials of the highway user, which is created by the subdivision admin of the highways department. So TNDHU, yes, TNDH user is what we gave. And next is the captcha. And I'm going to click enter. And we are currently into the highways user login ID. So we have currently logged into the highways user, and underneath you can see home, add and list, in which you can click on the list, and in the pending list you'll see the request sent by the police official. So we gave this particular accident ID 0002. And before that, this is the exact accident ID that we have been using in this webinar, which is created by Gaurav in the morning. So Maruti Mandir on 12th of August, 8:25 a.m., simple injury, hospitalized. So this is the request that has been sent from the police personnel to the highways user. I'm going to click on add. Once you click on add, it will take you to the page where the user has the privilege to add the road details and to upload the image. So you'll have two tiles in this road details pending. So this is pending because we haven't started it yet. Once we finish it, this tile will be disabled. And the next one is the images and videos. So we'll come to that later. And right now I'm going to click on the road details. It will take you to the road details page where the user can enter the details of the road. Details of the road in which the particular accident has been happened. So in the road name, for example, I am giving it as MG Road. In the area type would be rural, urban or suburban. In this case, I'm going to give it as urban. And whether that particular road has a road shoulder or not. So in this case, I'm going to give yes to the road shoulder. And what is the type of the road shoulder? Whether is it paved or unpaved? So in this case, paved. And the road number. So that would be, for example, 1, 2, 3 should be fine in this case. And what is the road chainage length? Road that would be around 5 kilometer. And the what is the road classification? Whether is it an expressway or a national highway or a state highway, and so on. So you'll have so and so options in here. So in this case, I'm going to give it as roads in corporation limit. Click on OK. And what is the surface type? Whether is it paved or unpaved? In this case, paved. And the road surface classification, by what that road has been built, with a tar, is it a tar road or a concrete road or a metal road? So the user can select that. In this case, it's a tar road. And what is the surface condition? So is there any potholes in it, or was it flooded? Was it wet? Was it slippery? So the user can select it according to the situation in which that accident has happened. So in this case, I'm going to give it as potholes. And the road obstruction. So road obstruction is nothing but whether is there any separator, which is a median to the road, or a flyover, or is it just plain, or a river bridge, so etc. in the options. In this case, I'm giving as river bridge. And under road topography, where exactly under which topography that particular road comes under, whether is it a plain road or a hilly area road or a guard section road. In this case, I'm going to give it as a plain area road. But for example, take hilly area road. Once you select the hilly area road, there will be an extra field addition called the vertical. Vertical and horizontal are nothing but the curvature explanation of that particular road. which the highways department knew. So you'll have multiple options under the vertical curve and the horizontal curve as well. So in this case, I'm going to change it to the plain area road. And once you select the plain area road, that vertical curve field will disappear. Only the horizontal curve will appear in this case. So I'm going to click the horizontal, and in which I'm going to select straight. And the next one is the surface gradient type. So whether is it a ruling gradient or a limiting gradient, it is nothing but again it depends on the amount of degree at which the road has been built. So in this case, it would be a limiting gradient. And the road work, whether any road work is under process while that accident happened. So in this case, no. And the traffic movement, whether is it a one-way or a two-way traffic movement. In this case, it's a one-way traffic movement. And Gaurav, up to you.
या जो ये अभी हमने हमारे ईश्वर ने अभी तक जो आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन दिया है, ये हम फ्रॉम द रोड नेम टू द एरिया टाइप, शोल्डर, जो पेव्ड है कि अनपेव्ड है रोड, रोड नंबर, रोड चेंज और क्लासिफिकेशन, ये सब उनका जो ऑप्शंस है, इज गोइंग टू क्लिक अपॉन दैट, और जो उनकी ऑप्शंस है उसके ऊपर वो क्लिक करेंगे डिपेंडिंग ऑन कि वहाँ पे क्या है और कौन सा एरिया है, और उसके ऊपर जो लाइन है उसका जो हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन है, ग्रेडियंट कौन सा है, रोड वर्क की, रोड का कामगारी वहाँ पे चल रहा है कि नहीं चल रहा है, कि प्रॉब्लम है कि नहीं है, वहाँ पे ट्रैफिक वन वे है कि टू वे ट्रैफिक है कि सिंगल वे ट्रैफिक है, ये सब अपलोड, ये सब उसका डेटा वहाँ पे वो इनपुट करेंगे. इनपुट करने के बाद वो नेक्स्ट दबाएंगे. कंटिन्यूएशन.
Someone asked me what's the meaning of gradient. Gradient means ढलान. हिंदी में इसको बोलते हैं ढलान. जैसे पहाड़ पे बहुत ज्यादा ढलान होती है और जो हमारी नॉर्मल रोड्स होते हैं उन पे प्लेन होती है या फिर बहुत कम ढलान होती है. हमारे फ्लाईओवर्स होते हैं उस पे भी ज्यादा ढलान होती है. तो ग्रेडियंट मीन्स ढलान. इस तरीके की ढलान है.
So this page is done, and there are totally 2 pages in this particular highways road details. So this is page number 1, and in the right up corner, you'll have the next button. I'm going to click that, and it will take you to the next page. And from where you can select the junction type, whether that particular junction is a roundabout. In our language, it's called the roundana. And whether it has a Y junction or a tagged or a 4-arm square or a more than 4-arm, so etc. Whether is it a guarded crossing. Guarded level crossing is nothing but the railway crossing or an unguarded level crossing. So in this case, I'm going to give it as a roundabout. And the next one is a junction control. So by what that particular junction is controlled, whether it has a signal, the traffic signal, or a stop sign or a flashing signal. In this case, it's going to be a traffic signal. And what is the speed limit of that particular road? Is it below 40 or 40 to 60 or 60 to 80? So it will have more options too. In this case, that would be a 40 to 60 kilometer per hour speed range. Okay, and the next one would be a pedestrian infrastructure, whether that particular road has a pedestrian infrastructure like the subway or a footbridge or a zebra crossing in that road. So in this case, this is a multiple entry option. So in this case, I'm going to give subway and footbridge and click on OK. And the lanes, what are the number of lanes that particular road has, whether it has 1 or 2 lane or a 3 lane. In this case, it's going to be a 2 lane. Whether it has any So this remedial measure is where that particular highways department can take action on. So if there is any problem under that particular road, in that particular road, a remedial measure can be given. So we have given every possible options in this, and this is a multiple entry option. So the particular user can select more number of options according to the situation that arises. So in this case, I'm going to give us a proper side distance and a speed commas to be provided, and click on OK, and it will generate the options that we have selected, and that's it with the data.
Okay.
Yeah.
ये जो ईश्वर ने अभी डेटा बनाया है, इसके ऊपर जो हमारा ऑप्शन है जो है पहला जंक्शन टाइप है, जो जहाँ पे राउंड अबाउट हो गया, वाइड जंक्शन हो गया। ये जंक्शन टाइप के मतलब जहाँ पे वो मीन बेसिक जंक्शन टाइप के मतलब जहाँ जहाँ पे गाड़ी खड़ा होता है और ऊपर से हम राउंड अबाउट लेते हैं और द वे दैट द व्हीकल इज मूविंग। नेक्स्ट है हमारा जंक्शन कंट्रोल। तो जंक्शन को कंट्रोल करने के लिए क्या है कि वहाँ पे पुलिस ऑफिसर है या ट्रैफिक सिग्नल्स है कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ जंक्शन, तो वहाँ पे वो ट्रैफिक सिग्नल चूज किया है। स्पीड लिमिट क्या है उस हाईवे का, पर्टिकुलर रोड के हाईवे का 40 to 60 उन्होंने सेलेक्ट किया है। पेडिस्ट्रियन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर जो आम आदमी के लिए चलने के लिए वहाँ पे हाईवे में क्या बना हुआ है, सुविधा क्या बना हुआ है, तो उनके लिए वहाँ पे वो सबवे है एंड फुट ब्रिज भी है। लेन्स, कितना लेन का वो हाईवे है, 2 लेन का हाईवे है एंड फिजिकल डिवाइडर है कि नहीं है वहाँ पे, तो है, तो वहाँ पे वो है, सेलेक्ट किया है। बाद में रेमेडियल मेजर, तो रेमेडियल मेजर ये एक जो वहाँ पे यूजर है, हाईवे यूजर जो ऑफिसर जाता है वहाँ पे, तो उसको क्या लगेगा उस टाइम की, उसको क्या रेमेडियल मेजर्स, उसकी क्या थिंकिंग है एंड उसकी क्या ये है मेजर्स, वो क्या दे सकता है, वो इनपुट वो वहाँ पे कर सकता है। फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ ने ईश्वर जी ने सेलेक्ट किया है प्रॉपर साइड डिस्टेंस टू बी मेंटेन जंक्शन, स्प्लिट कॉमर्स टू बी प्रोवाइडेड, कि उन्होंने वो रेमेडियल मेजर जैसा एक अपडेट करके बताया। उसके अंदर बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस है, सो डिपेंडिंग अपॉन कि वहाँ की जो ऑफिसर क्या सेलेक्ट करेगा, उनको क्या लगेगा, उस तरफ की जो इमीडिएट मेजर के लिए जो हेल्प हो जाए, सुविधा हो जाए और एक्सीडेंट वहाँ पे कम हो जाए, दैट रेमेडियल मेजर्स कैन बी चूजन एट दैट पॉइंट। तो वो बाद में ये सेव कर लेंगे। सेव करने के बाद ये कंप्लीट डेटा जो इनपुट करना है फ्रॉम दी पर्सपेक्टिव जो हमारा हाईवे यूजर है और जो हाईवे इंस्पेक्टर है जो वहाँ पे जो इंस्पेक्ट करता है, वंस ही कंप्लीट्स इट, इनका ये काम खत्म हो गया। ये जो सेव दबाएंगे इट ऑटोमेटिकली कंप्लीट्स द एंटायर रिपोर्ट। ओके सर।
Okay, thank you, Gaurav. And that's it with the data entry. And once you have given all the data, you can select the save button. So once the save button is selected, it will take you to the page where you'll have the two tiles. So in this, you get a notification once you select save. Road details are saved successfully. Click on OK. And you can see the road details are completed in this case, and it has been disabled. You cannot select it again once you have entered the data and clicked on save. And the next tile is the images and videos. So click on that, and this is where the pictures of the road can be uploaded in this, can be taken. The junction and road type, the road surface can be, the road surface's picture can be taken. If there is any skid marks that are available on the road, that can be captured as well. And once all these details have been fetched in, you can click on save. So right now we are not going to do any of such things, and that's it with the highways module. And you'll have just only one pending, which is the accident 0002, and the case that we have taken right now is accident ID 0001, and it has come under the completed list. So yeah, Gaurav, if you want to explain this, you can do that.
हाँ, जो हमने रिक्वेस्ट भेजे थे, जो एक्सीडेंट आईडी के हमारे ऊपर जो हमने उसको अपडेट किया था एंड उसके ऊपर जो हमने यहाँ पे डेटा एंट्री के ऑप्शंस में किया था, वो पर्टिकुलर एक्सीडेंट आईडी पेंडिंग से कंप्लीट होके कंप्लीटेड लिस्ट में आ गया है। तो कंप्लीटेड लिस्ट में आते ही वहाँ पे दी हाईवे और दी सर्कल और जो भी उसका एडमिन है, he will get to know that वो पर्टिकुलर जो ऑफिसर है वहाँ पे जाके he has completed his investigation and he has inputted his entire data and वहाँ पे वो सेव कर दिया। सो फ्रॉम द पेंडिंग लिस्ट यहाँ पे वो पर्टिकुलर एक्सीडेंट आईडी फ्रॉम द पेंडिंग इट हैज कम टू द कंप्लीटेड लिस्ट। तो ये हाईवे का जो यूजर का काम है, इट कंप्लीट्स एज ऑफ नाउ। ओके, डन सर।
Okay, thank you, Gaurav.
So that's it with the highways.
I received two queries. One is roundabout क्या होता है? Roundabout means गोल चक्कर। दूसरा क्वेरी आया है वाई जंक्शन क्या होता है? वाई जंक्शन मीन जैसे आप एक रोड पे जा रहे हैं, वहां से फिर फर्दर दो रोड्स निकल जाते हैं, एक इस डायरेक्शन में, दूसरा इस डायरेक्शन में, उसको हम वाई जंक्शन बोलते हैं। और राउंड अबाउट मींस गोल चक्कर।
And I could see another query as well, how to upload the PDF signed by the higher authority and send from MVI to police. So right now there is no such options, but we are going to do that. We are going to implement that in the next releases, in the upcoming releases to follow.